Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to switch the Instagram account. So to do that, you need to open up your Instagram account and make sure to sign in on your Instagram account first. So in order to sign out or in order to switch the Instagram account, you need to tap on the bottom right corner profile icon of Instagram. Once you're here on the profile page of your Instagram account, on the upper right corner, you'll be able to see the three-line icon. Simply tap on there. And once you are here on this page, you will be able to see settings and privacy on the top of the box. Tap on that. This will let you get access on your settings and privacy page. When you scroll down on the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see logout, the current ID you are using on the Instagram or you are signing on the Instagram. So tap on that current account that says logout learner 083. Tap on that. So if you want to save your login info so that you don't need to enter it next time you log in, you can just save, or if you don't, then tap on not now. So to confirm to log out your account, tap on logout again. Wait until your account is being logging out. You have already logged out from your Instagram account. That was learner083. So once you're on this page, you can simply choose the account shown on this page and switch the account, or else you can tap on login to another account and enter the credential on this page when it's appear. Or else if you don't have any another account, then simply you can tap on create new account. So following the on-screen instruction, you can create new account and switch into another account. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest uploads from our channel. Thank you.